at San Diego Hampton Inn Downtown. I think that's all what it says. Hampton Inn, San Diego Downtown. And it's not far from the airport. It's very close to the train station, which you saw me coming in on. And so I walked, took like about a 7-minute walk. It was really, really fast and not hard at all. There was a little bit of like building construction or something going on the main road. And so I had to like adjust to the opposite side, but not a big deal. Got here very fast. Check-in was very easy. I see what else. Room, very clean. I'm going to let you see that right now. Alright, so coming into the room, of course the bathroom's right here, so we'll swing in here real quick. It's good size. Now, I don't know about every bathroom at this Hampton Inn, but this does not have a tub, so it's a full shower. So yeah, so I mean, nice, it's clean. Lots of towels available. I've already used some, of course. A nice big counter. Hair dryer is kind of like one of those half sizes. As you can see, it's like a half size. So alright, so it's got a nice big closet here. Ironing board already in the room. The only thing it doesn't have is one of the things for the suitcases, which I think a lot of places have gone away from. And then this door is a full-size mirror. Alright, I already slept in that bed, as you can tell, but you get it. Alright, so good size queen bed, or king bed. Now, I am not a fan of the pillows. They are, I think, fluff, or what do you call it, feathers. And so I am not a fan of those. I'm going to actually ask it when I go downstairs to see if I can get some non-feather pillows. One, I have allergies really bad. They haven't affected me really, but they are just way too soft, and so they're not really good support for my neck. And so, and the bed is on the more of the firm, medium to firm side. So just remember that. As you come in here, it's got a nice area. Now this is, I'm not really sure, but I put my suitcase up there. I would rather have this all taken out. I don't know. It's like, I don't know. It just seems like it doesn't work for me. TV. And let's see, there's like some little baskets here for clothes, and then coffee maker down there. There's an ice bucket. This is where the fridge is on the other side. And then this is the desk area. And you can see why I think like this is like useless over here, because it has this nice big desk over here. And another mirror. And lots of outlets and stuff. So 2 outlets there. And then it's got 2 outlets and a USB there. And then also on the other side at that lamp over there, let's see right there, it has another couple outlets and a USB. So I have, you know, just a basic, it's got a sofa couch too. So, but I have just like a basic room. So I am actually looking out onto a patio area out here. I don't think you can get out here, but maybe you could. Not quite sure. Anyway, and the pool is on the other side. So this, if I look this way, this is south. So I'm sorry, this is east looking, which on the other side of that building, let's see if I can get in here, right there. That would be, like on the other side is where the Pacific Ocean is, and then on this side over here is street side, downtown San Diego. Okay, so that's about it for this room. It's room 344 at the Hampton Inn Downtown San Diego, and so it's so far just one night. So we'll see. Now the one thing, let me see, switch this around. So one thing I do have to say is that it is not far from the airport. So you do hear planes kind of going overhead. It didn't actually affect my sleep. So that's probably a good thing. In fact, I think I hear one going to go over right now. And I didn't have an issue. And the train also runs back and forth close to here. But I believe it only runs up until like 5 or 6 o'clock or something like that. Because I didn't hear it at night at all. And of course I came in on the train. And it was like maybe a 7-minute walk from the train station. Totally fast. So I am going to go and check out and see what is going on in San Diego.